Today's one of those days you just randomly wake up at half 4 and decide you're going to do something, and so here we are at West Hampstead, and I have no idea what we're doing. I believe I'm one of the few people here at West Ruislip. Okay, first stop, Sudbury Hill Harrow. There is literally nobody here. Very much more of the same on this platform, it's literally no different. Okay, now to the next station. It occurred to me mid-walk that I could have got the Piccadilly Line. It's of no surprise whatsoever, I am the only person in the entire station. I like this kind of garden feature in the middle. A few photos around. Whether they're local or not, I do not know. The waiting shelter that's kind of shared between two platforms, and you've got 3 seats per platform, if you like. I don't know if that's a record of the fewest seats per platform of any station in London, but that'd be kind of cool. You can see it's not a very long platform. In fact, you know what? Let's measure it. Okay. Feet ready? I reached 100 steps and I'm not like even halfway along the platform, so I'm just going to speed this up for you. And my shoes are 28 centimetres long, so here we go, that many centimetres. 8 trains per day, that's hardly any if you... I've still got like half an hour until there's 5 minutes until my train. If by any chance my phone were to fall backwards, this could end up being catastrophic, as it just could be bad, and like it's not actually that bad because it's obviously in selfie mode at the moment, but it could be bad. You never know.